Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel _ Angela, and if you're new here, you are most welcome. Thank you for stopping by. For my subscribers, thank you so much for always believing in me and coming back to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. So in today's video, we are going to unpack a package from Upcountry it was sent by my mother-in-law. So here nothing feels better than receiving a package straight from Upcountry, packed with love, tradition and taste of home. Today we are unpacking some real treasures, fresh juicy mangoes ripe under the village sun. You can already smell the sweetness. Guys, don't mind about the clothes that you're seeing there. These are my niece's clothes. So from this point, I'll be her guardian till she completes her education, that is. So also here we have dry maize. It is organic. We also have some beans, and also we have some omenas. For those who don't know about the omenas, they're also called the sardines. They're small but nutritious. They're full of flavors, memories and delicacies. So apart from the omenas, you'll also see the fulus. This is also a family of omenas, but they're slightly bigger than omenas. So we also received the fulus. Then apart from that, and finally, we also received dried meat, which is preserved in the old-fashioned way, rich, smoky, and absolutely irresistible. Guys, this meat can stay up to around a year without going bad, even if you don't put it in the fridge. So you'll be assured to have food even after days and days of keeping the meat without preserving any further, because it was salted, it was smoked and sun-dried. Guys, my heart is full. What else can I ask for if not for God to bless this mother-in-law of mine to live longer, so that I can receive more and more of these packages. So these are more than just food items. They are a reminder of home, family and our roots. So enjoy the video, guys. After unpacking, we are going to prepare chapati and the meat. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe at the end of the video. Let us grow together, guys. So currently we are at 17 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Let us push. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Fun, laughter and love lives here. So don't be left behind. Let us grow together, guys, and make this YouTube channel to grow. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys.